Uh, hold on. Just now I came from steps actually. Yeah, good. We are good to go. So let us just try to start a session. Maybe where are we currently? Yeah. LOC. Yeah. It is really good topic. Did you understand yesterday's session? As I told you, syntax matters. What matters, man? Please make a note on that. Maybe all four syntax I have explained in one place. Yeah, this I can take as a recap actually. Okay, we are good to go. All right, then let's continue. Currently we are running with the topic. The topic name is called as a data selection. What is the topic name? Daniel, I wanted to select the data. What do you mean by that? I wanted to select a single column. You already know the syntax. I wanted to select a multiple columns. What exactly? We already know these are all syntax. Sometimes I wanted to select a specific slice from the data frame, like a single value, 5 rows, only 2 columns. Next one will be 10 rows with the 3 columns actually. This is the requirement. If this one is a requirement, then you have to choose a topic. The topic name is a LOC and ILOC. What is the topic name? This is you can also call as a location based index. What index? Here LOC means location. LOC means what exactly, sir? Location. A data frame location. Especially I'm talking about that. Right? So LOC and ILOC both are called as a indexers. Both are called as what exactly? Yeah. Yesterday I have started the first one is what exactly? ILOC. ILOC we have started. These are all syntaxes. I hope I already covered actually. Now the first one. Syntax number 1. df1 dot ILOC of single number. Here if you are providing kind of some single number, it means to say that indirectly you are trying to accessing zeroth index record. What record? Zeroth index record. By this time you should know what is a zeroth index, first index, second index actually. Syntax number 1. Whenever you are trying to accessing, you will get series as a result. What is as a result? Series as a result actually. Please make a note on this one. Syntax number 1, syntax number 2, series. Syntax number 3, syntax number 4, data frame. Please make a note actually. Yeah, Daniel, df1.iloc, comma separator. What separator? When it comes to no comma separator, sir, who are all didn't attend yesterday's session, please make a note. This is the continuation from yesterday's session. This is continuation. This is not a new topic actually, continuation. Yesterday's session is very important to understand today's topic actually. Comma separator left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side, what exactly? Rows position. What position? Left hand side rows position. Right hand side column position. Talk with me. Column position. Right. Syntax number 3. Syntax number what exactly? 3. df dot ILOC of team. First of all, no comma separator. I'm repeating again. If no comma separator, think like all columns. By default all columns actually. Let me repeat again. By default all rows and all columns actually. I mean, let me highlight anyway all rows here. If when you can provide comma, if you're talking about the column position, if you're talking about what exactly? Column position, then you need to provide the comma separator. What separator? If you are not providing comma separator, then all columns. What exactly mean? Please make a note actually. So this one is a syntax. That's what practice matter actually. ILOC of first point, you are not providing comma separator. I need all columns actually. Then this syntax indirectly talking about starting row and end row actually, all rows. What rows mean? All rows. Please make a note. Next one will be, Tim, I have a question for you. Comma separator. What separator? Comma separator. Left hand side rows position. Right hand side column position. Here you can provide starting position, end position, starting position, end position. If there is no start and end, then all rows. If there is no start and end, then all columns. I'm sure you're getting. Are you with me? Yesterday we really spent decent time actually. Decent time. Maybe when it comes to ILOC, as a promise, there are two things actually. First one is examples. We already done this actually. Next one is any idea? Theory actually. Now running. Make a note on this. Sorry. Good to go. Examples we already done. Now it's a right time I need to explain about what exactly theory. Today you will understand yesterday why I didn't discuss theory first actually. With experience I know, sir, what I need to cover first actually. ILOC. Okay. Maybe these are all, go back here. These are all, hold on. Till here I covered yesterday example actually. Till here yesterday I covered examples. Am I right? Good. Go back. Let me just try to go back and I need to explain about the theory. Theory part actually. We are good to go. We can select columns from the data frame by using LOC and ILOC. ILOC and LOC actually. I means index based location. What location? ILOC and LOC are called as indexers in a data frame. By using these indexers, we can get what all things we can get, rows and columns of the data frame. Next one is a slice of data frame. Next one is what exactly? Slice. A piece of data frame we can access actually. Then he'll explain about ILOC. Damn sure interview question. During interview, they will definitely ask actually. So please make a note on this. The ILOC is used for indexed based selection method or else indexed based selection technique. Anything you can say actually. We have to pass only integer. We have to pass only what exactly mean? Integer. Yesterday I already covered. Can I pass other than integer? You will get error. You will get what exactly? Error actually. By using this, we can get rows or columns at particular position in the given index actually. So it can take only what exactly mean? Integer values. What value? This does not include last element in a data frame. This does not include actually. Am I right or not, sir? So whenever you're trying to accessing something like a last to 10th record, 10 minus 1, 9th record, it can access actually. Am I right? Either it is for rows, it is the same. Columns also, it is the same. If you are providing like a third column, it is trying to accessing second column. Why? Because 3 minus 1 according to the, so index actually, if you are providing third column, then, 0, 1, 2, second column, it will try to access actually. That's what you need to be understand. This does not include what exactly? Last element in the data frame. That's the theory. ILOC syntax. And this one is a syntax row selection. Sir, what is not available? Comma. Then by default? Very good. Next one, ILOC. What is available? Then left hand side, row selection. Right hand side? That's it. What rows you want, you can specify here. What columns you want, you can specify here. That's what you need to be understand. During interview, if anyone is asking, explain about ILOC, ask a paper, ask what exactly paper, and draw these are all syntaxes. That guy will understand actually. Not only writing, you need to explain what is going on actually. Are you with me? Move on. So according to the syntax, there are two arguments: row selection. Next one is a column selection actually. Creating a data frame. We done these are all. I hope you understand. Now I need to explain about LOC indexer. I need to explain about what exactly? LOC indexer also again same two topics actually. You can just have to take this one. Same. Now the topic is what exactly? LOC. As usual, first let me explain about examples. Then let me explain about theory. But important. Very important. Please focus on this one. Important interview question. The starting itself is important. Important interview question. Even for working also. When you're working also important actually. This point is important. Let me tell you. What is the topic, you know? Ignore the theory, man. Ignore in the sense as of now skip. I can talk later. Ignore it. Good. Let us just have to load a data frame. Let us just have to load create a data frame actually. We can create a data frame by loading a CSV file. By loading what exactly, man? CSV file. Let me just try to do this actually. Continuously I'm getting cough actually. Let me just try to pull the file, sir. What is the file name? Sales 2. Did you upload it yesterday? Yesterday upload chesana? Cheppandi sir. Cheyaleda? Sales 2. Now can I tell about your practice actually? I just ask a question, did I upload it actually? You are in confusion. Then I can check your practice, how good you are in practice actually. You have to tell very quickly. Uploaded. Okay, please. Do your practice in your free time after 1 month or after 2 months actually. Is it okay? Confirmation. From my side I am done actually. Please sir, yesterday I told do practice yesterday itself only. But you watched Pushpa 2 movie actually. Okay, let's move on. Let's just try to run this. It is okay, your personal. Online team, you are following I guess actually. Online team, I need one response from you. Yeah, we are good to go. Let's do one thing. Take this example, creating a data frame. Creating what exactly? Creating a data frame. Next session. What is the next session, you know? Very important. Let me know how many rows actually. How many rows and columns? How to find out? Shape actually. Can somebody tell me how many rows and columns? Yeah, 5 columns. How many columns? 5 columns. Do the count actually. Column count, not rows counts. It takes a lot of time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. Columns exactly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. While counting the name of the columns, index is not countable. What is not countable? Index is not countable actually. Index is what exactly? Not countable. Okay. Let me just try to take this one. Number of rows and columns. Why I am covering that point, you know, today? While counting the columns, index is not countable. Index is what exactly? Not countable. We should not count index actually. Now here is the point. What exactly I'm trying to do, So best example, my motto will be, as I told you, this is important interview question. The question will be, what is the question, Listen carefully. How many columns talk with me? 5 columns. First one, order ID. Last one. Now what exactly I'm planning, I'm exactly planning. I just wanted to online team. Hold on, sir. I got offline admin actually. I have a small update. Hold on. Online team. Hold on, sir. Which card, sir? Maybe ATM card or what? Oh, okay. Please cross verify. Sir, can you please take a stand up actually? Oh, please. Why? Because it might be some valuable object, I guess. There is one of the student lost the card actually. You can invite the student. That is okay. Online team, hold on. Just please be on the line. So, check it out, please. If you are able to find anywhere else, kindly please submit actually, please. Boss, which code, boss? Which code? ATM code? Metro code. Okay. Don't worry, you can get it. I'm sure. Somewhere. Yeah, fine, sir. We are sorry. All right. Thank you. Let's move on. Back to the session. Number of rows. Row number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I already told one point. The point will be, while you are doing counting of the column, index is not countable. What is not countable? Index is not countable. Now what is my motto, Daniel, let us take a one column. The column name is a product name. What is the column name? Take this product name. First important interview question. I wanted to set this column name as an index. Please listen carefully. First of all, what is the by default index actually? By default index will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, keep on actual. Am I right or not, sir? Even one day, Sanjay asked a question. What is this question, Daniel, if number of rows are small, you can customize by giving 1, 2, 3. But think like, 900 rows actually. How many rows, man? Customizing index, giving manually 1, 2, 3, 4, take lot of time. Instead of this one, I would like to take a one separate column. I wanted to take that column. I wanted to set that column as an index actually. I wanted to set that column as what exactly? That is possible. That is what exactly? Possible actually. First of all, did you understand the problem statement? Good. Let me do that actually. We can set column name as index actually. Column name as index. To data frame. Let me show you example how to do that. A very simple, man. There is a method. That method name is a, by using. By using method we can do this. That method name is a set underscore index. What is the method name? Set underscore index. Chappal mir. What is the method name? Please be active. You can just try to come here. Now, yeah, this is beautiful, man. We can just try to take this. Wow, really beautiful actually. Get ready to understand. The point will be, yes, of course I have taken df1 dot, any idea what is this? Method. Very good. What is that? Method. For that method, what is the method name? Okay. What is the purpose of head method actually? Top 5 rows. Tail method? Bottom 5 rows. Info method? Information. Now same thing like that, every method has its own purpose, man. Every method has its own what exactly? Purpose. Now the purpose of set underscore index method purpose will be, it will take one specific column, that column you can specify, and it will take out that column and it will attach as a index actual. Attach as what exactly? Any idea? In place equals to true means? I don't want new data frame. Instead, I wanted to apply changes on original data frame. Please understand. I don't want new data frame. Instead of that, I wanted to apply in what exactly? Original data frame. Changes I wanted to apply in original data frame. Now get ready to understand. Now I have a small question. Before setting index, how many number of columns actually? 5. Now I already set the index actually. Let me run this one. Wow, seriously very good, sir. Automatically this column we have taken, a boss, come out from the data frame and we are creating index. What is index now actually? Product name. Here is the beauty. I already told many number of times. While counting the columns, you have to ignore the index. You have to ignore what exactly? Now చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు column names ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ? 4. Important interview question. You will get an idea actually. During interview they will show this data frame and they never show this bottom actually, and they will ask, tell me how many number of columns actually. Tell me how many number of columns. Let me tell you, first column always index. First one is always what exactly? Skip that. What is the next one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Exactly. I hope you got a clear picture. Meeku ardhamayinda sir? Very, very important. What exactly I done, I have taken one column. Yes, we have taken one column and we are setting that column name as a index. Exactly that we done actually. Before setting this column name, though default index would have how many columns actually? 5 columns. After setting index actually, now talk with me, how many columns, men? Can I get a response? Madam, you got it, I guess actually. You in the sense everyone. We are using in real time every day actually. Please make a note on this one. Every day we are using. Somebody is asking, is it important? Very, very important, sir. Madam, very, very important actually. Okay. Now let's take this example. Are you clear till now? Setting index as a product name and selecting the data frame and selecting what exactly? Data frame. We are good to go. Now we are starting with LOC syntax. What syntax, man? LOC syntax. LOC syntax. Are you ready? Till now I covered actually. Can I share one small 1 minute? I don't have any social networks, but even I do have some small happiest moments actually. I do have a small personal pics. I would like to share that personal pics with you. Is it okay? If you say okay, I will show you. Yeah, good. Let's take this. These are all pictures. Good. It is not my marriage photos actually, first of all. Don't worry. Recently, last week I went to my native, right? My 10th class students, my 10th class, all my batchmates, they conducted reunion actually. Reunion. I done my 10th class in 1947. Do you think 1947? No. 2000 to 2001 batch actually. Back, exactly near to the school. ZPH school actually. This is my 10th class batches. I feel really happy. I connected with them. I can take 2 minutes actually. Is it okay for you? Yeah, good. Online team, if you don't know, can you recognize where is Daniel actually? Very good, sir. You have good memory, I guess, actually, right? So here is the Daniel. Here is the Daniel. Yeah, all right. Let me explain. Team, let me tell you, all family members are in same position when we are studying 10th class actually. But unfortunately, all or didn't continue their studies. We are all connected till 10th class actually. Once 10th class is done, disperse. Like, somebody intermediate, somebody discontinued actually. Out of all these members, on an average, 4 members studied actually. How many members? By God grace, I am one of them. By God grace actually. Even I was unworthy. For me, 10th class only more than enough actually. But by God grace, I done that, my next level studies. He is the one Chiranjeevi. He is settled in a normal farming actually, and his name is Janaya, and he's the topper in a batch actually. Second class, second especially. First position I will tell you. When I was studying 7th class, if I am having any doubt, I used to ask him actually. And once he done 10th class, he asked to his father, Dad, I'm planning to study. His father told, no beta, please, we don't have a money enough. So try to start your career by working actually. That day, when he was explaining, I feel tearful actually. We are really lucky. We studied graduation. Am I right or not, sir? There are many people, the one who is not done graduation, they are worrying about now actually. They are thinking like, at least that guy, what Jnana is saying, at least Nirikshan, my kids also I can make them as a graduate actually. I feel tearful, sir. You guys really lucky actually, right? And he got a RTC, he settled in a government job actually. He is doing water business, and he is also maybe some government employee. This person didn't came, but we requested to photograph. He added his picture actually. Do you think he is the real person actually? That he added. Let me tell you, he is the one Vasu, topper in the maths actually. Topper. What do you mean by topper actually? We are doing first chapter examples, but he used to do 10th chapter example actually. What example? 10th chapter. And he will ask to the faculty, I already done 10th chapter. We used to still always namaskar, please stop over action actually. Am I right or not? Batch yeah, he's that guy actually. All are my friends, so don't think like, we can comment. But he studied till graduation, BSc. He joined in chemical lab actually. Chemical lab. And his own business farming. He's working in Bosch company, Bosch company, IT employee, farming. And he's the first class he's the topper in the batch. He got a first prize in total 10th class, and especially now he done CA. He done what exactly? CA. I done MCA. One letter extra actually. I'm sorry for kidding. He's my best friend. He's the one who organized it. This is my village only, sir. This is my village only. We conducted. I really feel more connected. Yeah, all these madams sit very nicely actually, and all are no one is not doing any job. So they are supporting their family actually. Are you with me or not, sir? I feel so happy. This is my happiest moment. That's what I'm sharing. I'm sorry for this. And luckily that day I got anchoring position. What position, man? Anchoring position, right? So that's what I'm standing for every person when they're giving introduction actually. Even he's explaining math that day. I little scared actually. Yeah. Sir, let me talk about this. His name is a Subaru Master. What is the name? Subaru Master. As I told you, I never studied in corporate school. From LKG to, from starting first class to elementary school, till degree, government colleges only. All are government, JPH schools, kind of some supporting. Let me tell you. Sir, he recognized me when I was studying 4th class. When I was studying like a small chota guy, I was wearing knicker, these are all roaming actually. He recognized and he is telling, Nirikshan, you are having good study skills, keep continue. That day when I meet him, I really touch feet his actually. I feel so happy. His name is a Subbaro Master. His name is a Venkateswara sir actually. That's what. His Vasu. His name is Vasu. He's my best friend. Just I'm doing small fun actually. All right. That's what. That's it actually. Fine then. Thank you. I hope you understand, right? Now, conclusion of this story, why I'm telling, would have seems to be lot of members, but only 4 members studied. You and me are really lucky. Really lucky, sir. You done BA, at least BTech actually, graduation. That day when he was telling about his story, I like to study, but I don't have a scope to study. Arey boss. Even my father sold property actually to make me to postgraduate. That is the second story. It's okay. All right. You understand, I guess, right? Can I get a response? All right. Thank you. I hope you understand. Online team, what happened, online team, don't worry, I'm back. Till now, last 2 minutes, I lost internet connectivity. I didn't discuss anything, but I'm expecting some, cool response from you. Are you with me? Is my voice is clear? Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let's continue. Let's continue with the discussion. Back to the session. Currently, we are running with the topic. The topic name is a selection. What selection? Data selection. By using ILOC and what exactly? LOC. ILOC we already done. Let's keep it away. The next one will be, just now I have done one example. That example will be, Daniel, I can take a column. I can set the column as an index actually. Is it possible? Absolutely possible, sir. Absolutely. What exactly mean? Possible. Please make a note on this. Checking the number of columns. How to check chapter? Shape actually. Why you are silent? You didn't come out from that mode actually. Come on, please. Over. All right. Here onwards important. The point will be, please understand. Now here onwards, look at the output first actually. Look at the output first, and this code you can easy to understand. The output is a what exactly, Here you can try to understand. When I say index actually, index it can be the first product, Apple, iPad, it is okay. The next product, flat screen TV, 20 inches monitor. These are all different products would you have. But my requirement will be, Daniel, I'm looking for specific product, how many times it is sold out actually. Yesterday also we covered this kind of example. Am I right or not, sir? By applying Boolean condition. By applying what exactly? Boolean condition, right? Not only Boolean condition, you can still use LOC. You can still use what exactly? iPhone 9, how many times it is especially sold out. Then you can just simply create a small a equals to exactly the product name supposed to be match iPhone 9. Now df2 equals to df1 dot LOC of a. Very simple actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Then you can just try to print df2. You can just try to print what exactly? df2. Come on, let's do that actually. You'll get an idea. A equals to what is the product name, sir? Chapter iPhone 9. Spelling supposed to be match. I capital, I lowercase, P uppercase. iPhone 9 kada. We are good to go. Now here please make a note. df2 equals to df1 dot LOC of, here what we need to provide, you can just have to take this here and here we need to provide, sir. Now let us just have to print df2. Let's run this example. Wow, seriously very good, man. From this you will understand so-and-so product how many times it's sold out actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Yeah, same thing you can still achieve without using LOC also. Without using what exactly? Yesterday I already explained. That is called as a accessing specific record. What exactly, sir? Accessing specific record. I already covered actually, right? Now let's take this one. These are all, if you really do practice, then only you can understand. These are all. Your practice really important actually. Please make a note on that, right? Now, Daniel, I don't want all these records, Daniel. I just need only top, what exactly? Top 5 records. Then you need to call head method. Now I wanted to know how many times iPhone 9 sold out actually. How many times iPhone 9 sold out? Then what I need to do? 1, 2, 3, 4. Instead of counting manually, what we need to do, sir? Yeah, very good. You can just try to call shape attribute. Then you will get like what exactly, Very good. How many times? 47 times actually. Out of 900 or 600? 900. Okay, I forget actually. Out of 900. Think like this actually. Okay. Good. Next example, without explanation, you can understand. You try to explain what exactly going on actually. Yeah, tell me what exactly it is going on. Yeah, previously iPhone 9 product, now different product actually. ThinkPad laptop. What exactly? ThinkPad laptop actually. Yeah, we are trying to accessing exactly ThinkPad laptop. Let me just try to take this. Sir, intentionally, I just change, just name of the product so that you can feel we already know this example. Ante kada? Am I right? Good. So take this example. You can just try to run this. How many products? Previous one? 47. Analysis. These are all what exactly mean? Analysis. Anyway, let me just try to print this. Yeah, good. We are good to go. Come again. Charanji, let me look at your question. How can I replace DF with selected DF by using LOC, LOC? You can reassign, sir. You can reassign with the reference actual. Let's continue. I hope I already copied this example here. Next example. Can I ask you one question, please? Is it okay? Good. Let me ask a question. Any idea what is this? Method. Very good. Any idea? Any idea? Nice. I feel so happy. My stomach filled actually. Good. Wow. This is beautiful. This is really beautiful. This requirement is previously we got only one product. We got only. But Daniel, can I get combination of two products actually? You can get it, sir. This is the great advantage with the LOC actually. This is really great advantage. Imagine on an average would have a lot of products. But I wanted to know Samsung iPhone 9 and iPhone 11 combination with these two, how many it is sold out actually. Yeah, you can pass one small list actually. You can pass what exactly? One small list. Can I get a response from you? Yeah, we are simple man. We are filtering the data. We are selecting the specific product. We are selecting what exactly? Specific product. Ante, that's it. Okay. Until you practice, you cannot connect, sir. మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసేంత వరకు మీకు అర్థం కాదు యాక్చువల్లీ. I have a question for you. This is combination of iPhone 9 and what exactly mean? What is the count actually? Very good. Good business is going on actually. Combination of two products. Combination of what exactly? Two products actually. You tell me. Again combination of two products. Previously iPhone 9 and iPhone 11. Now what is the product? ThinkPad laptop and 27-inch monitor. So you can feel comfortable. We already know this example actually. Yeah, we are good to go. How many men? 71. Two products combination. Wow, this is beautiful, sir. Listen carefully. Syntax. Team LOC. Comma separator. What separator? comma separator. If comma separator, left hand side row selection, left hand side. In left hand side, what you are providing? A. Okay, combination. iPhone 9 rows actually, ThinkPad laptop rows. That is okay. Comma separator. This one is RHS position. What is RHS position? Columns. What exactly mean? Here is the beauty. Whenever you are working with ILOC, you need to specify columns with a 0 column 1, 0 column 2, 0 column 3. But whenever you are working with LOC, you can specify name of the columns in a list actually. You can specify what exactly mean name of the columns in a list. Sir. This is the beauty actually, right? A equals to, this is something like a row, this is something like a columns. Come on, chudandi. I can make it like, R. I can make it like a C. And this one should be first of all, comma separator. What separator? Comma. Left hand side, rows, right hand side. That's it. That's it, sir. Over actually. More than next one. Team. Simple. Okay, go back. I'm sorry. I didn't explain the example. What is the iPhone 9 and what exactly? ThinkPad laptop. Yeah, you are getting both combination. That is okay. And what is the column name? Product cost and what exactly? Customer ID. Product cost and what exactly? Customer ID. Let me give column name as a wrong. First of all, column name should be match. Column name should be what exactly? Match. If column name you are giving as a wrong actually, what exactly happened? Yeah, I hope you already know actually. What error? We already know this. It is telling, hey Daniel, I didn't find out this actually. Backend it is considered like a index actually, right? Now make a note. Column name should be match. No doubt in that actually. No doubt in that. Good. What is the column name, sir? First one? Product cost and next one is a customer ID. Now what column I am trying to accessing? Product cost and yeah, that's it. Apart from that, nothing. You can just have to take columns position. You can just have to pass here. Nothing is there, man. If you in our session, understanding one example really matter actually. If you understand that example, other examples are correlation. Second, third, fourth, you can easily understand. Wow, what is the combination, man? Enter in the business actually 82 devices actually. With the both combination 82 devices. This cold is horrible, man. Seriously. Rather than cold, quarrel with wife is good actually. I'm sorry for kidding. Did you understand? Okay, let me continue. Point, try to understand actually. First point, look at the syntax. What is the syntax, So the point here it will be, it can be, sir. Somebody is asking question, is none can be index actually, it can be possible. No doubt in that. But let me tell you how to filter none. You have to filter none before you are setting as index actually. First of all, comma separator came. What separator? Where comma separator came, left hand side, rows position, right hand side, column position. This syntax we are not using in real time. I mean, especially this syntax. If you want, you can just try to remember this one. Not much important actually. What exactly here it is happening, this is something like column symbol. What symbol? Column symbol. Here start we need to provide, this end you need to provide. This is name of the column start actually. This is the name of the column ending. That's what you need to specify. But like this we never do in real time actually. Can I get a response from you? Right, good. So this example is not much important. I'm ignoring this example. You also can ignore. Nothing is wrong actually. You are feeling happy, right? Maya, anyway, example important. If I'm a student, I will feel happy, sir. This one also not much important. Simple, I can say out of syllabus. What exactly? Out of syllabus actually. I'm updating material. So in upcoming material, you cannot see this kind of example. I have prepared with some overaction actually. Good. So make a note on this one. Now I'm going to explain an example. We can filter the data by using Boolean and logical indexing. Talk with me. Boolean, or you can also call it as a logical indexing. Logical what exactly? Indexing. Tim, I'm getting continuous cough actually. I'm controlling myself. I will take session in another maximum 5 to 10 minutes. I can take a break. Is it okay? No option, sir. Yeah. Let's continue. Wow. Understand the example, sir. The example will be first point. Daniel, I wanted to access only LG washing machine. What exactly mean? LG washing machine. I hope we already know one syntax. What is that syntax I wanted to hear from you? First of all, let me just try to look into that. LG washing machine ekkudundaya? Leda ikkada? It's okay. Then you can just try to capture from here. I wanted to capture only this record. Then what we need to do? Yesterday I already told how to bring that logic actually. And here you can just try to create one small condition equals to df of and double equals to name of the product here. And here what exactly? Product name. Kada? Yeah, very good. Shafina boss, thank you so much. I got your answer actually. And here you can just try to provide name of the column. Then here yesterday we already covered this example. Am I right or not, sir? Good. You can just try to run this example. Good. Listen carefully. Ayyo. Talk with me, sir. DF1. Very good. LG washing machine. These are all bought actually. All are married actually. Good. Let's make a note on this one. Now, instead of this one, we do have another logic. What is that logic, We can just try to come here. Print of df dot LOC of. Exactly here also you can do CON actually. This one is simple. Both are getting the same output. This one is super fast actually. This one is in terms of the performance wise. Children, both you will get a same output actually. Daniel, come on please. Yeah. We are good to go. Yes, this one is data frame number 1. This one is data frame number 2 actually. Timmy karduinda. Good. Syntax, only syntax matter actually. This is called as a Boolean syntax. What syntax? Also called as we are creating a condition. We are creating a logical indexing. What exactly? Logical indexing. But I like this one only. This one, I won't like it, sir. As I told you, this syntax also not important. First of all, listen carefully. Comma separator came. Left hand side, rows. Right hand side, column. Column starting position you can give, end position you can give. Not using in real time. This one also. So if you want, let me explain at least. Column name sorted from order ID and column name ending to product cost. This one also. Especially you can provide the left hand side rows position. You can give a kind of some condition. Right hand side column names. You can just try to specify. I wanted to access only product name or what exactly mean product cost. Instead of doing this one, what we can do, create a one small B variable and you can just have to specify these two products names, these two column names actually. Am I right or not, sir? That is the best one. That's it regarding LOC. One example and good question. Go back to our material. Here I will cover, sir. Go to filtering. You're asking multiple conditions, right? And we can filter by data. 1 minute. Yeah. Here I will cover multiple conditions actually. Here your point will come. Okay. This is upcoming topic. Is it okay? Short session today. Fine. I'm unable to deliver. I'm getting a cough. I'm controlling actually. I'm sorry. We done a short session today. We done today's session. I'm extremely sorry if I disappoint you. Don't miss tomorrow's session. Can I give you an ideology? When it comes to now here onwards, PANDAS, how many sessions required, you know? 1 session, 2, 3, 4. In another 5 sessions, we are going to close PANDAS. In another 5 sessions. In another 5 sessions, we are going to close PANDAS. After PANDAS, the next topic is a project discussion. What discussion, boss? Get ready. Don't miss about that actually. Okay. Sir, to reach machine learning after PANDAS, so let me tell you. Rishi sir, to reach machine learning, maths required actually, feature engineering required. On an average, few more sessions. Later on, you can easy to understand. Okay. So thank you. Let's just try to upload the material. Sir, I'm covering SQL. I'm covering. End of the session, I will cover. As a promise, I will cover actually. Yeah. That I'm going to cover, sir. The math part I'm going to take care actually. Yeah, thank you. We're done for today's session. We'll connect again tomorrow. Shivek Sharma we can do by using computer vision. By using computer vision we can do, sir. That is a deep learning related model actually. That's good to know that you are working employee. Or by we are covering. All right. Thank you. Any questions I can cover later. If admin asks, you can tell them. Trainer left early.